Tingin kayo dito. Dave, tingin kayo dito.
Chris Noel is the son of Patrolman Billy Joe and Juliano Jr. and Honorable Councilor Glenna May of Juliano. And the second Princess 2025 is Honey. First Prince 2025 is Dave Adrian C. Javier. And First Princess 2025 is Nova Bien J. Tavio. Dave is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Limuel B. Javier. And France of the Judge Mirror of his